guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open TikTok in mute. Simply means that whenever you open TikTok, it will mute those videos automatically once the app is open, because normally once you open the TikTok, guys, and you are at home, it will start to play those videos with the sound. So I'm going to show you how that works. So let me go ahead and close my TikTok for a moment, and if I swipe up and I open it, you will see that it start to play, right? So how do we go about set this that whenever we open TikTok, it does not play the voice and it's automatically mute? So this is what you have to do. Once you open up TikTok, guys, you want to go ahead and click your profile on the lower right hand side. Go to the three lines on the upper right hand side and click on settings and privacy. Now from here, guys, you want to scroll down to where it says playback. Tap on that, and here you have an option at the top that says open TikTok on mute. Once you toggle this on, guys, you will realize that the TikTok is going to be mute. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close TikTok right now, and I'm going to open it again. And guess what? You will see that TikTok open and it's muted, right? So you can see that it's currently muted. It's not playing anything. It's actually muted. And in order to play the sound, you want to tap on it so that, and in order to play this, you want to go ahead and tap on the unmute button on the lower right hand side. So here you can see the button that shows that it's mute. You just want to tap on that and it will start to play for you. And that's how you go ahead, guys, and have TikTok open on mute on your mobile phone. Very easy and very simple.